Ode, Awe, Atan. My name is Coach Amos Maoklo. Today we want to talk about numbers in the Ogu language. How to count from 0 to million. I want to break it down so that people can digest the content, understand how to pronounce these numbers and the system that guide how these numbers are called in the Ogu language. So today just want to focus on 1 to 10, how to count 1 to 10 in the Ogu language. So in the subsequent videos would take you from 11 to 20 to 30 to 40 to 50. So it's a system that actually guides the way you call this number. You don't need to like memorize everything. With the knowledge that you're going to acquire from here, you should be able to call any number in the Ogu language. And I say it again, today we want to just focus on number 1 to 10. So now let's dive in. 1 in Ogu language is called Dòpò or Ode. So 2 is called Awe. 3 is called Atan. Listen to it very well. Atan. 4 is called Ene. Ene. 5 is called Atan. Atan. 6 is called Ṣídòpó. 6 is called Ṣídòpó. 7 is called Ṣinawe. Ṣinawe. The way you pronounce it is going to be very fast. Ṣinawe. 8 is called Ṣinatọ. Ṣinatọ. Then 9 is called Ṣinẹ. And 10 is called Awo. Awo. Now, I want you to do something. Just pay attention to the numbers that you have on the screen, the text that you have on the screen. Now, look at 1. We call it Ode or Dòpò. And then we call 2 Awe. Now, pay attention to those words because you will see them over and over again as we continue learning about numbers in the Ogu language. Awe, we. So that's the key word in 2. Atan. So that's the key word in 3. Ene. That's the key word in what? 4. Then we have Atan. Atan is in from Atan. Atan is 3. Atan, that's 5. We also have what we call Ṣídòpó. It means 5 and 1. That's what, if we add the 2 together, that's 6. Ṣinawe. So it means 5 and 2, that's 7. Ṣinatọ. So that's what? 8. Ṣinẹ. That's 5 and 4 plus 4, that's what? 9. And then we have Awo. 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 So that's 10. Next video we're going to continue from 11 upward. Alright. So until we meet next time, I remain Coach Amos Maoklo. Ndomi no biche Gunuvi. Me to hold on no me to Coach Amos Maoklo. Ba komite humbo. Nothing to people azangbe tonji do ibenu bo ma ide hilo hen no bitu de drum ton le yino hiya nuto gbenedo. Kakaba mi na no plate to gbe bunu izu zambe.